at that, guys. How cool is that? And watch this. Check this out, guys. Not only can you do that, so if I slide it over right here, bam, there's my navigation. So now I have navigation on my car. What's going on YouTube? What's going on? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another video. As you guys can see from the intro, this is a virtual cockpit for the B8.5 platform. It can fit an A4, it can fit a Q5, it can fit an A5, S5, RS5. Anyone with this structure, it can fit. I custom made this because I love the B8 and the B8.5 body style. I just truly love it. And I feel like the B9 has an amazing interior. Just to my cup of tea, I like both of those combined. So as you guys can see from my car, I'm essentially bit by bit creating a B9 interior in my car. So I have the best of both worlds. So I'm going to go ahead and not hold it up, and I want to show you guys this virtual cockpit. As you can see, just for recording purposes, I'm going to use this start stop button right here. Both of these work. If you're interested in the steering wheel, you can look at another video. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start up the car so you guys can see how this virtual cockpit looks, how it functions, and then how you can get it in your vehicle. So here we go. So as you can see, guys, I just started up the car. That's going to be my RS nav. This is my virtual cockpit. Bam. As you guys can see, not only do I have a virtual cockpit, I have a Lambo virtual cockpit. I have Lambo Aventador. I have Audi A8. I have Audi RS3. I can customize this dash to where I can have whatever dash I need, or whichever one I want. So I'm not limited to one specific kind. You can see right now, guys, it's shaking up my RPMs right there. I'm going to step on the rev. So you see that, guys? My revs are right there with it. I'm going to step on the rev again so you guys can see. This is going to be my boost right here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the boost. So that's my boost. All right. Of course, I'm not boosting because I'm still. And I'm still because, as you guys can see, I have those tires over there that I'm getting ready to put on the car. So I'm working on another project, a wide body kit. So as you can see, here we go. There we go, guys. I got my 8 gears. So if you have 6 gears in your car, I have 8 gears. I can change it from 8 to 6. So I'm just showing you guys everything is responsive. There's my fuel. The fuel is full at the moment. I filled it up. There's gonna be my oil pressure. That's gonna be my boost gauge right there. That's gonna be the date. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? And watch this. Check this out, guys. Not only can you do that, I'm just gonna slide it over So if I slide it over right here, bam, there's my navigation. So now I have navigation on my, so now all you gotta do is just simply slide it, bam, navigation, bam. Now you back to speedometer, back to the navigation. If I want to scoot over this way, you can see I have bigger RPMs to where I can just focus mainly on the RPMs. But if I want to look at my fuel level, if I want to look at my boost, my gauge, and this is fully customizable to where you can get pretty much anything you want on this dash. Another cool thing is you can pretty much play anything you want on this. You can just talk to the dash, and if you talk to the dash, it'll tell you exactly what you want. The way I got this set up, you can set it up with via Android tablet. You can set it up with an LCD screen. That's if you want to run it directly to pretty much an LCD monitor, 12:5 monitor. If you want to do it through a tablet, I have it set up both ways. And let me, wait, let me show you guys this really fast. So I'm just going to show you guys what happened if I turn the car off. So, all right, guys. So I also want to show you guys, other than it being 100% functionable, now I actually have this set up directly to my OBD port, so I'm getting real-time numbers. You know, if sometimes when you use a Bluetooth, there is a lag, but there's only a lag if you're pushing your car to the extreme or if you're just boosting really hard. But other than that, it's very responsive. But of course, if you go directly into the OBD port, then you're good to go. But I want to show you guys the functionality in it. So also, guys, I want to show you. So I started it up, and when I started up, it came directly to this dash. So I wanted to show you what happens when I turn the car off. And I'm just going to press this, turn the car off. As you can see, once I turn the car off, it gives me my max boost speed. Just kind of give me a quick snapshot of my statistics, and bam, there you go. Got the official Audi logo, and bam, car just kind of goes into sleep mode just like any traditional car as far as the dash. So let me just zoom out so you guys can see that. There we go. Bam, it's off. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and press it again. Once I press it again, just turn my car on. There we go.
System ready.
There we go. Good to go, guys. There we go, guys. Started up just like that. There is my virtual cockpit for the Audi A4, A5, Q5, B8 platforms. So this is a custom thing that I did for myself, and just to kind of show you guys, this is the side of it. I don't know if you guys want to see the side. Bam. Top. Go to this side. As you can see, there we go. It's official virtual cockpit, guys. So I made this for myself because I wanted to do it. But if I get enough people who are interested in this, and if someone is interested in this, please just email me. I'm going to leave an email link in the description of where you can contact me. Now, if you want one of these made up for your car, then we can get it rolling and get it set up for you. And I'll give you the housing for the virtual cockpit. I'll give you the LCD screen, or whatever Android system that you want to use, or you can just buy the housing and retrofit it yourself. I give you specific instructions on how you can start it with your car, turn it off with your car, and I also will give you different options on what kind of dashes that you can set up for your vehicle. So this is all going to come with a packet. So if you're interested and you want this, please email me and I'll get the ball rolling for you. I'm going to do it in sets of 10 orders at a time. So be patient and mindful. Of course, A4s, A5, RS5s, RS4s, just in general, this will just be seamless. Q5s, there may be a few specs that I need to do to get this done. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me also show you guys the Huracan dash that I have. This is a Lamborghini Huracan dash. So if you like the Lamborghini Huracan better, this is a dash for the Lamborghini Huracan. Just want to show you guys. So yeah, I can set up different ones for you guys. These are my two favorite. This one actually kind of complements the car a lot too. So yeah, guys, make sure you email me if you're interested in it. I'm going to show you guys a little cinematic at the end so you can get a real vibe and feel of it. And just show you guys a little process of how I got to this point. And I hope you like and enjoyed this video. I got more bangers coming for you. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.